All right, I'm glad to be back. I got a 1971 Nova sitting here with a small block 350. It's got aluminum heads, loud exhaust, cammed up. I'm gonna do a walk around video, but for right now, we're going on a test drive. This will be fun. Let's go for a ride. All right, I'm glad to be back. It's nice, cool weather here in Tennessee. I got a 1971 Nova sitting here. It's a 3-speed car. We're getting ready to take off down the road. Any flaws that I see, I will point out, and you will know. I'm gonna double check the hood, make sure it's all the way shut, so we don't have no problems here. The first latch was holding, but the second latch wasn't, so I'm glad I checked it. So we got an electric fan down here on the floor. We're gonna cut on. That's what you gotta always remember, you'll have overheating problems. Horn does work. None of the air controls, I couldn't get them to work at all. Couldn't get the windshield wipers to cut on. Turn signals, they feel good. The gas gauge is unhooked by the gas tank, and our speedometer does not work on this one. This is a 3-speed car, and it does grind when it goes into some of the gears. I wanted to let y'all know about that. That's reverse there is first. Really low geared car. It's easy to take off in. A little bumpy because it's been lowered. Aftermarket Weld wheels and tires. Got a good sound to it. The temperature's nice and warm. It's right at 190 right now. Get some gas up here at the old gas station. Throw about $20 worth of fuel in it. Always run premium in all these cars, and we'll continue heading down the road. Let's check that gauge. All right, see, the gauge is already pegged out, so I know it don't work. But at least I know I got about $20 worth of gas in here. So we're gonna keep on rolling. station here. Now that I know I got fuel. Third gear grinds every time. I got the clutch matted to the floor. When I do it, it still grinds. Like I said, our speedometer is not working. It's showing 89,000 miles, which is not correct because the speedometer is not working, so it's not going to gain any miles that way. Our temperature's still sitting right at 190. The brakes on this thing feel great. I didn't mention to tell y'all that when we were coming up through the front. You hear that rear end whining though. You try to push the clutch in, see if it goes away. It's in the clutch. That whine there, as soon as I push the clutch in, it goes away. It's in that third gear though that grinds. Not slipping at all. It's pulling pretty good. Motor's nice and strong. Grind in third. Other than that, the car feels really good. The steering, like I said, is really nice and tight. It's probably going to need a little tranny work for third, maybe a linkage adjustment. Don't know for sure. We haven't had that checked out. We don't really put them in the shop or work on them a lot, so we just buy and sell the cars. Temperature really hasn't moved. Still at 190. Every time. Once it's in there, it won't actually grind. That's pulling it out. That's putting it back in. Definitely doing it every single time, so it's going to need to be checked. It goes into reverse just fine, first, second, third every time it grinds. A little bit of a rear end whine I keep hearing. Only when it's in third is when I'm hearing that. And I'm almost wondering if it's something to do with the tranny. Hear that? When I put the clutch in, it goes away. y'all a good description of this car on this test drive. I wanted to let you know exactly what it was. A little bit of a project car, still in good shape, runs and drives good other than that third gear. We'll pull him back in the lot. I'm gonna get on to another car. I'm gonna do a little walk around of this one. We'll pull back here. I'm gonna walk around, point out any kind of flaws that I can find. I didn't realize the camera done fell over there. That's third there. There's first. Try to get y'all pushed back. Have to tighten that up. Put back in her spot over here. I tell you what, guys, it feels great to be back in Tennessee. I do enjoy my vacation, but